It's kind of, let me see. It's kind of like a good ASMR, right?
Right, you go ahead.
Hey guys, I want to first start out by wishing you a Merry Christmas. It was a few days ago, but season's greetings and a Happy New Year when that comes around. It's been so long. Had some problems with my channel, but I'm back and it's gonna be a little, merge of my words a little bit more. Um, but before we continue, if this is your first time being on my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you have any insight on anything that I'm saying, please drop a comment down in the comments below. If you are a loyal returning subscriber, welcome back. And I'm sorry that I've been away for so long. But I'm here, okay? And we have some things to discuss. So, skincare is a very important part of anybody's daily regimen, routine. I'm in the Caribbean right now where it's mostly humid. So, sweating is constant, okay? You sweat all the time, okay? So, you always want to make sure that your skin is replenished and you make sure that you are moisturized and hydrated all throughout the day. If you're in like a colder countries, it's winter now in majority of the places that experience the winter season, so you need extra moisture because you'll be dry like a biscuit in no time. Okay, I've been debating for a very long time which one I preferred between a body oil and a body butter. I've recently gotten a new body oil because before the body oils that I used were kind of, it felt like weird on my skin when I put it on, so I always preferred like lotions or body butters. But I ordered this body oil, my Christmas gift, from Ancient Cosmetics, so I felt like it would have been an amazing comparison to compare the creamy coconut and moringa body um, butter versus the Even Skin Glow body oil. So since they're from the same company, I think it would be a fair comparison. What do you think? So firstly, there's a little difference between a body butter and a body oil. Clearly they look different, but in terms of the properties, they're a little bit different. So I decided to do a little research on the difference between a body butter and a body oil. And according to Sublime Life, which is like a clean beauty site, check them out. A body butter is a lot like a butter that you eat. It's rich and thick. Like me, I mean, not the rich part yet, but he's thick. It provides the perfect moisturizing effect with no room for greasiness. And greasiness is a thing, especially if you're using a lot of devices. By the time you're done using like one of these oils, everything that you touch has oil on there, and that's, yeah, annoying throughout the day. Here are the benefits listed for body butters. They have a presence of essential fatty acids such as cocoa butter, shea butter, and they form a protective barrier around your skin. It's almost like when you put a body butter on, you almost feel like you have a whole like covering over your skin. It's kind of a good feeling. It feels very supple. It has vitamins, antioxidants. It reduces premature aging signs, and of course, rich and thick in consistency, so it melts due to your body heat. Body butters work best on dry skin and in dry climates where your skin is in dire need of regular and long-lasting moisture. So according to Ancient Cosmetics, the creamy coconut and moringa oil contains shea butter, coconut oil, moringa oil, and a little bit of fragrance. This one smells like more coconut. I'm not sure what moringa smells like, so I just identified the coconut smell in this one. Um, it's not bad at all. So they claim to have no sulfates, no parabens, no gluten, no synthetic colors, and no animal testing. Okay, so if you're looking for natural, because natural is the way these days, guys. So Ancient Cosmetics is really the plug. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I would love it to be, though. So hit me up, Ancient Cosmetics, if you see this. But yeah, so this is what's in the coconut and moringa oil body butter. So now let's move on to body oils. So according to Sublime Life, body oils are decadent and luxurious. They may take a moment to seep in, but they leave your skin soft and supple. Yeah, they kind of do take a moment to seep in. So that's why there's a lot of transfer onto a lot of things that you do come into contact with, like your clothes and your devices, your phones, your screens, etc. Because it takes a while for it to seep into your skin. Body oils are made of oils alone. There's no added water content. Neither do they need any emulsifiers or preservatives to sustain. They are more lightweight than body butters and a tad heavier than lotions. Um, and they help your skin lock in moisture like never before and penetrates through the skin, the protective barrier of your skin. It's amazing to see how a few drops of oil, basically, it is enough to moisturize your entire body. And I'll do kind of like a body butter oil swatch test on my arms because I didn't moisturize just for the sake of this video so I could see the shine and how it feels when we comparing the two. And they also added that in addition to the glow, your body oils also helps in relaxes your senses and increases your overall emotional wellness. Body oils are best for those with dry and rough skin, and they can also be used for various body and massage treatments. I love a massage. Top tier. I can fall asleep to a massage every night, but there's no base, so body oils are ideally used when your skin is warm or damp. Okay, so I'm not warm right now, but I just took a shower, so my skin is kind of still moist. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little comparison. Okay, so on my left hand, I'm going to be using the body butter, and on my right hand, I'm going to be using the body oils. It's going to be different for you guys, but just focus on this hand is going to be for the body butter, and this hand is going to be for the body oils. Okay, this is what the consistency looks like for the body butter. It's thicker than those that I've used before. It's kind of, let me see, it's kind of like a good ASMR, right? So I'm just gonna try a little bit of that. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my arm. Oops, a little bit of that fell off on my bed. Just gonna kind of rub that in my hands. Okay, definitely see a shine already. Nice. Okay, make sure you get those elbows. Okay, because we have no time for ashy elbows, right? So this is the hand that has the body butter, and this is my hand that has nothing on it. Okay, so I'm not sure if the camera kind of is giving you an accurate representation, but this one definitely has a good amount of shine, so it's a good, moisturizing and hydrating product. So we're moving on to the Even Skin Healthy Glow Body Oil, and the ingredients are safflower, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, lemon essential oil, turmeric essential oil, and rosehip oil. I also have some other stuff with rosehip oil, and it's doing a really good job. So I'm gonna just add a little bit. See. This one has more of a smell of like, it feels like tea tree-ish. This one is more of a sweet smell, the body butter, and this one is more like a tea tree. It smells like, bitch, I'm working. So definitely the oil is easier to apply because it's an oil, right? The body butter takes a little more time. Well, I might have a different... So I'm seeing from from hair being hair, the oil is a lot more... I don't know if iridescent is, no, not iridescent, but it's shinier than the body butter. I don't know if you can see that. You can see on my hands, right? So this one is the oil and this one is the body butter, okay? However, I'm preferring the body butter a little bit more. Just like the lip balm that I'd use, I prefer like a more tacky feeling than this. This is smoother. Definitely the oil is more smooth, but I think I like the body butter a little bit more. It feels like it would last longer in terms of hydration, because it definitely feels, and I feel like to the touch I don't know, this is a hard one. Both of them are definitely doing a good job in terms of visually, because, I look very much glowed up. But in terms of, I think I choose the body butter. So drop down in the comments and let me know what you prefer between the body butters and the body oils, and let me know from the video which one you think did me more justice. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you like this video. And we'll see you guys in the next video coming very, very soon, okay? Because I have a lot of stuff in the pipeline. 2021 just might be my year. I'm just saying, I'm just putting it out there. Manifestation. Thank you for checking this video out, and I'll see you in the next one.